So the next question is on the top customer. Is about local and global ranking. So you can see here, if after this exercise, you can have the list of customer with the sale and the volume already. So now, if I ask you to pick the top customer, maybe by the lifetime value, for example, for each market, can you do that? So. mm the first question is on the uh, the local ranking, and then later I will show you one step, just one step only to make it global. So for example, in Vietnam, you take the top five customer, and then in Thailand you take another five, and then Philippines you take another five. Okay, so can we do that or not? That's the question in our video. Okay, so in here I will take all the customer, I will group all the customer together. Okay, so I will group all the customer together like this. Customer code, customer market, and then the KPI, and then the values. So I don't care about the FY. I just take the lifetime value of the customer. So everything the customer contribute to my business, I will take. Okay. So for example, if I read this one, I can see this customer in Singapore has the volume about this much, and this one in Thailand about this much. Now, if I only care about the lifetime value of the sales, in this case, I will get rid of the KPI. So I will insert for the preparation. I will insert the filter in front before the grouping. I will insert, and then I only take the KPI equal to the sale. And then after this, uh, I just after this, I just need to sort my customer by the sale. Okay, so this one, if you see here, I will sort by market first, and then sort by customer code. No, I don't need. I need the value first. Customer code, I think I don't need. Okay, so it will look like this. You can see here the KPI is all the sale now. There's no KPI for volume anymore. So and then the market in here you have all the market, and then for each market you can see the sorry I need to fix this one. The value will be the descending order to make the biggest guy on top. Okay, so after this you will see the biggest in Indonesia down to the smallest one like this. So down to 600, and then again from Japan you can see the big number, and then down to the small number as well. So for every market it's like that. Okay. I will have to perform the local ranking for this table. So for local ranking, you can use the uh, multi uh, multi-row formula here. So I will put a rank, and then I will take the market in here, and then I just take the row minus one of the row minus one of the rank. Okay, I just type this one, and then I change it to rank plus one, so that it will give you the order. Okay, so let us see how it goes. So you can see here for Philippines, the first one you have the Philippine number one all the way down to something, and then Thailand start with number one again. Okay, so that's how it works with the ranking. Now, back to our question, we only need to take the top customer from each market, top 10 maybe. So I will take the 10 and other. So I will add another one on top of this. I will take like this, custom top 10 by market. So if the rank is smaller than or equal to 10, Then I will show the customer code else, and then I will group them other. I will group them other. So in this part, I will show you first, and then I refine the result. So you can see here, from 1 to 10, of the Philippines, it will show me the customer details. But then from the 11 onwards, it just group everybody into the other categories. Okay, so that's how this thing look like. Okay, so I want to be clear, so I will put the customer market up front, and then I will put the ABC here as well. So A plus the rank to string, okay, and then I put some space in here. So this one, let me show you first, and then refine the result. So this one, you can see here in Philippines we have A1, A2 all the way to A9, A10. Okay, so same with Thailand as well. But then there's a little bit problem with this naming, because A1 and A10 will be the same in alphabetical order, because number 1 and number 10 start with 1. So I want to put this one with 0 in front first, to make sure that they are uniform. So that's why I need to fix the formula one more time. Okay, so I need to put left of this thing 2 digit and then 0 in front, and then it will look like this. Okay, so you have 0 1 0 2 all the way to 10. So this padding trick is just to make the view better, especially when you work with Power BI. Okay, so that's it. I think with this view you can take the customer from the different view already. Okay, so let me show you how to recognize the revenue from here to with the top customer. So basically, I need to bring the customer here, the customer code here back to this view. So I need to add one more view in here, and then uh, let me show you another column, top 20, and then they are the same. Customer top 20 by market, they will be the same. I just change this one to 20 and done. Okay, so basically the logic is the same, and you don't have to update too much. And now I will need another column called the linking column, and then I want to link the customer market plus the customer code together, and then this one will be my linking or my VLOOKUP. If you are familiar with Excel, then linking is just VLOOKUP. This one linking to. So I need the two pair of key. So for this table, I have linking. I need linking, and this table I also need linking. And then after that, and then I can just use the VLOOKUP, or in Alteryx, the VLOOKUP is just join and then find and replace here. So you can VLOOKUP the column from one table to another table. Okay, so this one will be I will use a linking column from here to link to here. And then after that, I just take the two column on in here. Okay. So with this, and then you can see before, which is this one, and then it has the linking column in here, and then after, you can see the two ranking columns I bring over just to perform uh, perform the the revenue recognition with the top. Okay, so let me show you the view on this one, because we have the FY in here already. We have the top customer already. Then we can just use them in the pivot table nicely. Okay, so in here I will only take the top customer. If you take the customer code in here, it will give you the revenue for all customer. But then because I only care about the top customer, and then I care about the FY. KPI I also have to take, and then I have to take the monthly. Or let me take the fiscal number first, and then this one I need to take the values and then sum them all together. So in with this I need to sort the table by the the market as the customer market, and then the KPI as well. So for each top customer, I will have the two KPIs in this case. Okay, so in this case, we have the sale here, and then the volume for the first customer, uh, and then we have the volume. If you want to separate the two together because you want to compare like for like the thing, and then you just put this KPI on top. So it will give you two blocks like this. So this is all the sale, and then if you scroll down, it will all the volume. So it will be easier for you to compare like for like. Okay, so for each block here, for Indonesia, you can see the top customer and others. And then for Japan, also same thing, the top customer and others. And mm, so you see that in here actually the number is not decreasing because the ranking here is not by FY25 or 24, but it's just the ranking of the lifetime value of the customer. So everything contribute over the years from the beginning, from the joining date to until 25, will be accumulate, will be summed all together and then sort. So you see this one also a little bit decreasing, but then not quite sure. And then this one a little bit increasing. But if you see in the total, then it will make sense for you. So if you want to add a total, actually you can add in here. There is a thing called the total column, and then it will give you the total. And then you can see the decreasing trend, except for the others, because the other will be like the sum of many customer together, and then you see the big number. But then the from A to A1 to A10, A1 to A10, you can see the decreasing numbers. Okay, so this is how you perform uh, the ranking by market. So the trick for the global ranking to the global ranking is just to copy the whole thing and then change the market to the to O, and then it will give you the global. Let me show you. So in here, instead of using the customer market here, I will change the customer market a little bit. So I tweak this one a little bit by changing the customer market to O, or overall, or the whole market, and then it will give you the picture like this. So in here, instead of using the so you will not see the number one for the other market because this is number one global already. Now, in order to link this one together in the view, then you need to use the linking column here, but then you have to change the linking column as well. So let me change this one to O. So in here, instead of using this customer market, you just need to change this one to O, and then it will give you the like for like VLOOKUP key from here to here. And then you will have to you can just link them all together. Okay, so the trick in here, a little bit in here, you need to change this one to O, or just to remove the market behind, and then they will know that this people will know that this one is just the overall picture of the market. Okay, so and again, I need to match to bring this one. Look, we look up this one to uh, the original table. Okay, so in here after this, and then you will see the uh, top 10 by market here and top 20 by market here, but this one is top 10 overall and then top 20 overall. Okay, so we do the same trick with the revenue recognition in here, which is to to recognize the revenue for top 10. Okay. So this one, because we remove the top 10 by market already, we only have the top 10, so you have to sort. You have to update the sorting. Okay, so uh, now you can see for the sale block you have the 10 customer and others, and then this for the volume block you have the same thing. Okay, but then you can see that this top 10 is not ranking downward as well, because we rank the customer by sale only. So if you want to do the volume top customer by volume and by sales separately, and then you have to repeat the whole process. So later you need to do like customer top customer by volume in here. So you change it to volume in here. Okay. So that will be the second question on this customer data.